A world of frogs, from puddles to rainforests. Frogs are fascinating creatures that have adapted to a wide range of environments. Frogs and toads, creatures of two worlds, equally at home in water and on land. They are masters of adaptation, thriving in both aquatic and terrestrial habitats. They inhabit every continent except Antarctica, their calls echoing from rainforests to deserts, mountains to backyards. Each species has its unique call, a symphony of nature that varies with the landscape. From the tiny dart poison frog, a jewel of the Amazon, to the colossal Goliath frog of Africa, their diversity is astounding. These species showcase the incredible range of sizes, colors, and behaviors found in the frog world. Frogs are amphibians, a word derived from the Greek meaning double life. This term perfectly encapsulates their existence, as they transition seamlessly between water and land. Straddling aquatic and terrestrial realms. Their life cycle often begins in water as tadpoles, before they metamorphose into land-dwelling adults. Their permeable skin, covered in a mucus layer, allows them to breathe through their skin, but also makes them susceptible to changes in their environment. This unique skin also helps them absorb water and stay hydrated. This sensitivity, while a vulnerability, also makes frogs excellent indicators of ecosystem health. They react quickly to environmental changes, making them early warning systems for ecological shifts. Their presence, or alarmingly their absence, can tell us a great deal about the state of our planet. Scientists study these amphibians closely to monitor the health of various ecosystems, providing crucial data for conservation efforts. Tiny canaries and coal mine frogs as environmental indicators. The canary in the coal mine served as an early warning system for miners, its demise signaling the presence of deadly gases. These small birds were incredibly sensitive to toxic gases like carbon monoxide, and their sudden death would alert miners to evacuate immediately. Frogs, in a similar vein, act as sentinels for our ecosystems. Their presence, or lack thereof, can tell us a lot about the health of the environment. Their permeable skin readily absorbs pollutants from the water and air. This makes them highly susceptible to changes in their environment, acting almost like sponges that soak up the surrounding conditions. Declining frog populations are often the first sign of environmental distress. When frogs start to disappear, it's a clear indication that something is wrong. Habitat destruction, climate change, pollution, and disease are all implicated in their decline. These factors create a hostile environment for frogs, making it difficult for them to survive and reproduce. Their disappearance is a stark warning, a reminder that the health of our planet is inextricably linked to the well-being of its smallest inhabitants. When frogs vanish, it signals that the ecosystem is out of balance. By studying frogs, we gain insights into the broader impacts of human activities on the natural world. Researchers can track changes in frog populations to understand the effects of pollution, climate change, and habitat loss. Their fate serves as a potent reminder of our responsibility to protect the delicate balance of life on Earth. Conservation efforts are crucial to ensure that these vital indicators of environmental health continue to thrive. The miracle of metamorphosis. A frog's journey begins. This is a tale of transformation, resilience, and the wonders of nature. The life cycle of a frog is a story of dramatic transformation, a testament to nature's ingenuity and adaptability. From a tiny egg to a fully grown frog, each stage is a marvel of biological engineering. It begins with a tiny gelatinous sphere, the frog egg. This small, delicate structure is the starting point of an incredible journey. Laid in water, often in clusters or strings, these eggs hold the promise of new life. Each cluster is a nursery, teeming with potential. Within the protective jelly, the embryo develops, drawing nourishment from the yolk sac. This nourishment is crucial for the early stages of growth. This early stage, though seemingly uneventful, sets the stage for the remarkable metamorphosis to come. It's a period of rapid cell division and differentiation. The egg stage can last anywhere from a few days to several weeks, depending on the species and environmental conditions. This variability ensures that the young frogs have the best chance of survival. Temperature, oxygen levels, and water quality all play a role in determining the rate of development. These factors can influence the speed and success of the hatching process. As the embryo grows, it transforms from a cluster of cells into a recognizable tadpole, ready to enter the next stage of its life. This transformation is a testament to the resilience and adaptability of life. The tadpole stage, life in the water. Hatching from the egg, the tadpole emerges, a tiny creature perfectly adapted to aquatic life. With gills for breathing, a finned tail for propulsion, and a specialized mouth for grazing on algae, the tadpole is a far cry from its adult form. Its world is the water where it feeds and grows, its internal anatomy undergoing a slow but steady transformation. The tadpole stage is a critical period for growth, as it builds up the energy reserves necessary for the dramatic changes ahead. It is also a time of vulnerability, as tadpoles are prey to a variety of aquatic predators, from fish to insects. Survival depends on a combination of camouflage, agility, and sheer numbers. Section 5. Transformation time, from tadpole to froglet. The transformation from tadpole to froglet, known as metamorphosis, is one of the most remarkable events in the natural world. This process, orchestrated by hormones, is a marvel of coordinated change, unfolding over days or weeks. First, hind legs emerge, followed by front legs. The tail, no longer needed for swimming, gradually shrinks. Absorbed by the body, lungs develop, allowing the froglet to breathe air while the gills disappear. The digestive system adapts to a carnivorous diet. Finally, the froglet emerges from the water, a miniature version of its adult self, ready to embark on a terrestrial life. Welcome to adulthood, a frog's life on land and water. The newly emerged froglet is a vulnerable creature, its skin still delicate, its hunting skills undeveloped. But it grows quickly, its diet shifting from algae to insects and other small invertebrates. Frogs are ambush predators, relying on their sticky tongues to capture prey with lightning speed. Their powerful hind legs allow them to leap impressive distances, escaping predators or pursuing prey. Life as an adult frog is a delicate balance between finding food, avoiding predators, and ultimately, ensuring the continuation of the species. Frogs play a crucial role in their ecosystems, controlling insect populations and serving as prey for larger animals. Their presence is a sign of a healthy ecosystem, a testament to the interconnectedness of life. A chorus of courtship frog reproduction and parental care. As the breeding season approaches, the air fills with the calls of male frogs, each species with its own distinctive song. These calls, amplified by vocal sacs, serve to attract females and establish territories. The breeding strategies of frogs are as diverse as the species themselves. Some species lay their eggs in water, others on leaves or in burrows. Parental care also varies widely. Some frogs abandon their eggs, while others guard them fiercely, even carrying tadpoles on their backs. The glass frogs of Central and South America are renowned for their transparent skin, allowing a glimpse of the developing embryos within. Frogs invest a significant amount of energy in reproduction, ensuring the survival of the next generation. Leaping to new heights, frog facts and adaptations. Frogs exhibit a remarkable array of adaptations showcasing nature's ingenuity. The South American dart poison frog, for example, secretes toxins through its skin, a defense against predators. The African bullfrog can grow to over 9 inches long and is known to eat snakes and even small mammals. The gliding tree frogs of Southeast Asia have evolved webbed feet that act like parachutes, allowing them to glide between trees. And then there's the hairy frog of Central Africa, which can break its own bones to produce claws, a defense mechanism that earns it the nickname horror frog. These adaptations highlight the diversity and resilience of frogs, their ability to thrive in a wide range of habitats. A call for conservation protecting our amphibian friends. Frogs face numerous threats, many of them human-induced. Habitat loss, climate change, pollution, and disease are all taking a toll on their populations. The chytrid fungus, a deadly skin disease, has decimated amphibian populations worldwide. Conservation efforts are crucial to ensuring the survival of these fascinating creatures. Protecting and restoring wetland habitats, reducing pollution, and combating climate change are all essential steps. Public awareness is also key. By learning about frogs, appreciating their importance, and supporting conservation initiatives, we can all play a role in protecting these remarkable amphibians for generations to come. For more information on frog conservation, visit the websites of organizations like the Amphibian Survival Alliance ASA and save the frogs.